nangyari, dahil yata sa expansion, they were doing some work, medyo natamaan yata yung mga wirings. So, yun ang nangyari. So, medyo nahirapan, pero naagapan naman. I mean, it only had a couple of days na medyo hindi nagkaroon ng operation ng night flights. But other than that, okay na. Ako nga naging din nun, kaya ako coming here nag-bus. Nag-sleeper bus po ako, and I was very happy with the service of the bus, no? Kasi talagang very comfortable po, very comfortable yung sleeper bus. I guess you should all try it one day. Ayos na yung for the nights and all that, no? Pati yung expansion, inaayos na yung phase 1. So we are all waiting na lang from the downloading of the DOTR para naman yung second phase. So hopefully within this year, may makano na tayo. Hopefully nga, as I said, what we're trying to really do, and our thrust is to truly be an international airport, no? So hopefully meron tayong mga flights from Kaohsiung, kung saan man, para kasi ang iniisip na namin would be flight, let's say, from Hawaii to Kaohsiung, and then Kaohsiung to Lawag, and then Lawag, Manila na. Kasi normally yung nalidelay yung Hawaii to Manila. So, kawawa naman ang ating mga balikbayan. So, hopefully, ang magiging first stop nila will be Lawag na kaagad. Yan yung pinagtatrabahuan natin.